Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply share a photo in a Zoom meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Zoom, and when you're here you want to click on new meeting, or when you are already in meeting, it doesn't matter. Like my voice is going to now. What you want to do now is just click here share, and then I get a photo here. So share photo, and you can go with the gallery, photos, files, drive, OneDrive. And now, like, I know my mother got this. Or like, this picture is really cool. Look, why do humans hate each other? I think they really hate themselves. So this is really good thing. Now I can like paint it, right? I can erase whatever. So that's like really cool. And what this picture means is that many people, when someone is toxic or really negative, like a person with a clear mind and peace in his mind, he's never going to be negative or toxic. A toxic person is only because his traumatic experience from past or his negative experience from past, from which he didn't like get on with, and now he's is saying what happened from the past, right? So if someone hates himself, or if someone loves himself, he's never going to put you down. That's the just truth. So this is how it is. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.